Hi. Ever since I was a kid, I wanted to travel across the world. Doing road trips. These open roads were always there. Finally, I've decided to take them.
Hey guys, quick intro about the cities. I'm sure as kids, we've all had that common dream of traveling to beautiful places, doing road trips in nice cars with friends and family. That is what I will be doing on this show primarily. Also, while I do that, I would be spending effort with my team to capture these trips in as much as detail as possible. This is mainly for an older version of me who would like to look back at these things in detail and relive the experiences again and again. The plan is, on every trip, I would be experiencing a different supercar or a nice luxury SUV. Now, I'm not super rich yet, so I would be renting these cars. In terms of the format of the show, every place that we go to, we would be doing some activity, a little bit of charity, and some roadside Indian food cooking. This is mainly because I miss the roadside Indian food eating experience that you get back in India, but not in the Western world. I hope you can relate to the content and like what follows. Thanks for watching.
North London to Glencoe is a long drive, around 500 miles. So we decided to take a night stopover in beautiful Lake District. Next morning we left Lake District around 10 a.m. for the final stretch to Glencoe of around 200 miles. We decided to travel light, and the plan was to stop once on the way for lunch and get to Glencoe sooner. Lake District in itself is quite beautiful, but it was not on the agenda for us in this trip. We did take some rural roads, and the drive was very scenic. We reached the outskirts of Glencoe around 4 p.m. and decided to take a quick stop to get a feel for the place. Personally for me, this place is magical.
I think the best thing I like about this place is like you can see the mountains, but there's not much tree cover, so you have more visibility.
Yeah, and standing in the middle of these two, there's a road and standing in the middle of these place. It's raining, we're having a beer. It's awesome, it's awesome. You could have asked nothing more.
Though we were tired, we still wanted to do some more driving around. First place on our list was the Glencoe Drive, just off A82. This road was made famous by the Skyfall movie as the home of James Bond. If you want to see the almost complete drive, then please click on the link for the detailed video. Do bear in mind that it's a bit of a twisted road.
Hi. It's part of the trip.
And then some more driving. We also started looking for a good location so that we could do some roadside Indian cooking. Finally, we found a beautiful spot. For detailed cooking video, please watch the link.
So Mohan, what exactly is the dish you're cooking?
Yeah, so I'm cooking a mother's chicken curry. Basically, our mom at our home cooks this chicken curry. So I'm trying to make it like simple and tasty as what she cooks. Yeah. So it looks like it is ready. I'm going to put a little bit of jeera. Tej patta. Thodi gas kam dete. I'm going to reduce the flames a bit now.
So I know there's a lot of people who actually know Mohan and me, and they know Mohan is a good cook, but everybody has their own style of cooking. This is the meat masala.
Oh, this is the meat curry masala.
माँ के हाथ का.
Yeah, this
MDH.
is MDH. It's going to be spicy. This is the chicken. Now I'm going to put the chicken, and so here it goes. All the chicken pieces.
Do we need to add more water after this, or do you?
Yeah, we'll add it after we have mixed the chicken well. We'll add water on the top, and then we'll close. Otherwise,
Okay.
the chicken will also leave water. But we are going to eat with rice, so we want to have some gravy. So
I think half of Scotland can smell it now. The spices.
yeah, I think
Smelling really good.
we'll just leave like for 1 minute, and then we'll put water. And so you can see the chicken. The thing is, if you want to eat with chapati, you don't have to put the water. Just close the lid. Yeah, so it is the second city. I think we are done. Indian cooking is all about city. It is our second city, second whistle I mean to say. So yeah, we are done. So I'm going to remove it from the stove now, and we're going to put rice. As I said, we are making chicken curry, right? We're going to eat it with the rice. So we have only one vessel. So as a prep, we are washing the rice and soaking it. If you soak the rice, when you cook it, it comes out more fluffy and nice. So we are doing that.
Msaladar, lababdar. Okay, if people need to take it another.
Perfect.
So good.
How is the spice?
It's balanced.
Balance?
Not much, so it's okay.
Ed, what about you?
Very good.
After the food, we decided to clean up and call it a day. We needed some rest to recover. Meanwhile, check out some shots. We woke up next day early in the morning.
Morning guys, we're woken up really early. It's 4:30 a.m. In the month of May in Glencoe. The main reason for that was, as if you can look around, it's a very beautiful spot. And the main reason for waking up this early is we want to capture early morning drone footage. But before we do that, we need to wake us up. And for waking us up, Mohan is helping us with cooking some traditional Indian tea. He's found us a spot over there. We will go and have a look and see what he's doing.
Water is almost ready. I think it is boiling now. I think we are going to put chai patti. This is our Indian Bagh Bakri chai.
Masala chai.
Masala chai. It's going to be awesome.
How many are you thinking of putting?
3.
4 cups.
3.
Okay.
3 or 4 I'll put. I think 4 people, 4. It will be a strong, we want to make a strong tea so that we start feeling warm and also
And awake.
High. Yeah,
Let's just put it a little bit higher.
yeah. Maximum. Yeah, put it maximum down. Full put it down.
I think it might go off.
This is wonderful sitting here next to. That's it.
Do you want this to be there for a few more minutes? Yeah?
Yeah.
That's it. The last one you can straight up pour in this.
How's it? Good. It's really good.
That spot is nice as well. So nice.
Yeah.
It's dragging.
That's the yard. It's shadow.
starting to come out now.
Yeah, it looks so beautiful.
Looks good.
Yeah.
So it looks quite different with the sunlight.
Yeah. It looks very close, but if you walk there, it's going to be so far.
Once the tea kicked in, we focused on capturing drone shots. Luckily for us, there was this beautiful combination of cloud cover and sunlight. Once done, we headed back to the hotel to relax before the activity of the trip, archery. Sorry guys, we lost the main cam footage for the archery, so this section only has phone footage. We got our instructions from the trainer at Woodlands Archery and set up a 3-way competition between Mohan, myself and Jake.
This is 7, 3, 19 and 11. That's 30.
So right, between me and Mohan, I think I've won. Very close call.
Yeah.
2 points, as you can see. Now we have Jake, who's on 43 points. So if he hits 4 bullseye, he would actually end up winning.
Thank you.
You got it, right?
Here we have the final scores. As expected, I smoked both of them.
And the first time.
Can I just you know, get a nickname as well?
Let's go. Boom.
Big thanks to our instructor Chris, very helpful guy.
Thank you so much, Chris. Massive thanks. Our instructor really helped us a lot.
Thank you so much, Chris.
Last but not the least, guys, as mentioned earlier, every place that we will travel, we would try to do a little bit of charity. We have chosen Glencoe Heritage Trust, who work towards conserving Glencoe for future generations, so that they can also enjoy these places and have beautiful experiences like us. Thanks for watching.